Welcome to this video on the dollar bill test, a professional guide to diagnosing gasket integrity and maximizing appliance efficiency. Understanding the criticality of a proper seal is vital. Even a small 15-centimeter gap can lead to hundreds of dollars in wasted energy. The gasket acts as the primary thermal barrier. Its role includes thermal insulation, air exchange regulation, and moisture control to minimize frost buildup. A compromised gasket can increase energy expenditure by 15%. This forces compressors to cycle 25 to 30% more frequently, accelerating wear and increasing utility costs. Before testing, ensure you have a crisp bill for currency. Prepare the surface by wiping the gasket and frame. Finally, check the ambient temperature to allow the rubber its natural flexibility. The testing protocol involves 4 steps: insertion of the bill, firm door compression, evaluation by slowly pulling the bill, and iteration every 15 centimeters around the door perimeter. Analyze the results. A pass indicates high resistance, meaning a healthy, airtight seal. A fail, or zero friction, suggests a weak magnetic pull or a warped gasket. Common failure modes include physical degradation, where rubber hardens due to exposure, and magnetic decay, where internal strips lose strength or alignment. The maintenance matrix ranges from simple soap and water cleaning to more complex solutions like petroleum jelly lubing, heat gun reshaping, or full gasket replacement. We can benchmark energy consumption. Optimal seals use 1.2 kilowatt-hours per day, compromised seals use 1.7 kilowatt-hours per day, and severely damaged gaskets consume 2.1 kilowatt-hours per day. Remember, the most effective maintenance tools are often the simplest. A single bill test can save you $1,000 over the life of an appliance.